Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on one of the projects I have here at the Washington house. We're going to be pouring a slab, a small slab, out here in the driveway. A couple weeks down the road from now we'll start building a small garage style structure, a 12 by 20 structure for storage and things like that. So you can see I got it covered with tarps right now. This the slab area. I want to make sure it stays at least a little bit warmer than what it was last night, so I kept it covered. There will be no wire mesh in this or rebar. It's only a 4-inch slab, so anything that's a 4-inch slab in thickness, you don't necessarily need wire. Again, it's a small structure, so it's not going to need any of that. But we'll be getting concrete here shortly, and we'll start pouring it. It's going to be a few weeks before we start building because of the cool temperature. I want to make sure this takes enough time to cure and get good and solid before we start putting anything on it. So we'll get it poured, we'll let it sit for a couple of weeks covered up when the rain comes, and then we'll start building on it. So hopefully we'll get everything done without any too big of a hitches, but we'll go from there. So concrete truck should be here in about an hour. So in the meantime, I'm going to get set up, get some things ready. Got a couple of helpers going to show up and help me, and we'll get on with it. That's what it looks like before. That's a terrible sounding backup horn.
Then and I'll put that as I go back. Alright, Pop, you ready? Hold on, let me fix my eye here. Get that rock out of the way that's right there. It's going to hit the thing, and the other one's right behind it. There you go. Ready? Yep. Right here. Pop, just hold down on your spot, right? Just hold down on it right there. You pull your side. Yeah, low. Okay, hold. Hold. Let me pull. Okay, Pop, we're going to do a little bit of that. I need a little bit right here. Okay, hold right there, Pop. Hold it. Oh. Okay, Pop. Okay, hold on, Pop. Back forward. You pull that excess off of that. You're gonna have to go back so I can get past this cleat. Just pull high. A little further. Okay. Now pull forward. Okay, let me take it. Okay, back and forth. Okay. Shoot. We'll need a little bit more. Like just a fuzz more. I know. This has like a wheelbarrow. Right.
Bunch of stuff I have done again.
Have your wheelbarrow right next to the edge, ready? Okay, Pop. I'm just gonna stay here. You go.
Hold it. Let me get the middle there.
Okay. Okay, Pop. Oh yeah. Come on. A little light right there, but that's okay. Keep going. I'll take some of that oil right there. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Hold it right there. Just leave this stuff on the end. Okay, Pop. Put it all right there in the middle. I'll pull that over. Need a little bit.
Right there in this corner, babe. Right there.
Just shoot into the wheelbarrow and take it from there. Right, Pop? Yeah, I mean, it's so close.
That looks good.
Or you want the wheelbarrow? Well, I don't want it on that slope. We're going to jump on it. We can take this. Yeah. Here, Pop, set it down for a second.
Another pair, I got some in there.
Oh, I got some on the truck.
Yep, that's it. Right here on the edge. It's coming along good with the Fresno. Mud's still a little bit wet because of the temperature outside, but nice and smooth. All right, so we got a slab poured. Now we just got to let it set up so we can trowel it out, make it a little bit more pretty. Ron is doing some of the lines right now, but with it being as cold as it is, it's going to take a little while to set up, so we'll keep on it.
A little nicer out here than it was on the edge.
So close. No, it's just this top 8 of an inch wet. More than color, we good. Do that. The meters, they strap your leg like that, and you're quite a lot, so you just screw it out of the place. Sorry. But we have a machine, you have to do it through machine wires. You would have to get that whole beauty, you didn't have to be on it. Use one of those. Yeah. That's when my first came to me. Are you kidding me? No, I don't think that thing. It's pretty much bad in my barn. Yeah. The sugar's so bad, I'm not taking it. Oh, jeez. Maybe that. You got it on pretty late when you use those things. Yeah. You didn't want to have it so light that you could be on it first. Yeah, okay, help me tweet all out, down all that stuff. And hey, Ron, have to set up that and we'll get quick. Yeah. Knock it on. Oh, that sounds good. I never had it. People like to have sweet. Really? Yeah, it's big. Oh, jeez. Yeah, everything. You were on a boat, wasn't it? Never mind. Got to get that route. 6 hours out. Pretty damn nice looking pad.
Yep.
For middle of winter.
Yep.
Been summer, we'd have been done already.
We'd have been racing again.
We'd have been, I'd have been out here, already hit it like 5 times already. We'd be done.
I wouldn't have felt bad getting on there and doing it myself too with you. It's wet like this, I'm not as good. When it's starting to set up, you can go.
Yeah, it's hard to hurt it once it's dry.
One thing I don't know how to do is I don't have the touch.
Yeah, it does take a feel. I mean, if you want to go fast, it's hard to teach somebody what edge, where to angle of the edge to hold. And when you feel it, you just feel it.
Yeah.
But it's pretty hard to say, well, hold it at like 5 degrees. You know, that doesn't work.
I can get it most of the time. All those years of stuck on houses.
Yeah, that's pretty much the same thing.
You know, still don't have quite the finesse because it's not something I did a lot of.
You have to do a lot of it. You have to do a lot.
Well, there you have it. Got the tarps off of it. Concrete set up pretty good. It can take some rain now. It's supposed to rain the next couple of days. The reason we tarped it is because it was getting down to 29 at night. But about 10 o'clock in the morning, it gets above freezing, so we can untarp it then. So if you're pouring slab and it's just kind of that freezing cusp, it's okay. It just takes longer for it to cure. You just need to cover it with the tarp at night when it's below freezing, so the top kind of retains a little bit of heat from the daytime. And then during the day, as long as it's not pouring rain, if it's above freezing, uncover it, let some of that moisture evaporate. However, since it is so cold, it's going to take a little bit longer for this concrete to cure, so probably about 3 weeks before I start putting some nails and boards and hanging some or standing some walls up on it. I just want to make sure it's good and solid. So I'll let it sit for a while. It'll be a little bit before we start building some walls for this little garage, and then we'll get on with that. In the meantime, possibly have a couple more DIY stuff over at Steve's place, helping him remodel his house. So I want to do a big shout out to Ron and Steve for coming over to help pour the slab. And you all have a great week, great month. It's coming up on Christmas, so God bless and hugs, and see you on the next video.